Securing Excel sheets with password protection. Hello, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Social Tool 101. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect your sheets to keep your sensitive data secure. Let's dive in. First, why do you need to protect your sheets? Imagine you're sharing a workbook with colleagues or clients, and you want to prevent accidental edits or keep confidential data secure. Password protection ensures only authorized changes are made. To protect an entire sheet, start by clicking on the Sheet tab you want to secure. Next, select Protect Sheet from the menu. You'll see a dialog box. Enter a password, choose the actions users can perform, like selecting cells, and click OK. Confirm the password, and now your sheet is protected. If someone tries to edit it, they'll need the password. You can also unprotect the sheet by doing the steps as vice versa. Simply go to the Sheets tab and select Unprotect the sheet. Give the password, and your sheet will be unprotected. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and see you next time.